Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. When you shop in an Asian market, have you seen these little packages of pickles? Do you wonder what it is and how it tastes? It is 榨菜 and originated from Sichuan, China. It has a crunchy texture and a savory, distinctive taste. Most people just put it on white rice or congee. It adds lots of flavors and makes plain food delicious. Today, I'm going to show you how to use it as an ingredient to cook 榨菜肉丝面, a classic breakfast dish. It's easy to make, super yummy, comforting, and gives you full day energy. When you buy 榨菜 in the Asian market, there will be spicy and non-spicy option. Both will work for this recipe. Please choose according to your tolerance. You may also find this big 榨菜 stem. They are the same thing. It's just one is pre-julienne and one is whole. If you're using these small little packages, you will need two. If you are using this big 榨菜 stem, you will need like half of this, about 6 ounces. Slice it into thin slabs and then thinly julienne it. Set it aside. I want to try one to show you how crunchy it is. You hear that? So crunchy and salty too. I used to eat bowls of white rice with this. Besides that, you will need some pork. Cut it into 1/8 of an inch thick slabs and thinly julienne it into 1/8 of an inch thick strips, just to match the shape of the 榨菜. I'm using pork loin, but pork shoulder or pork butt will also work. Marinate it with 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 tablespoon Chinese cooking wine, 1½ teaspoon cornstarch, and some ground white pepper to taste. And mix well. I like to coat the pork with 1 tablespoon cooking oil, preventing the meat strips from tangling together and making them easier to stir fry later. I'm going to quickly fill a pot with water and put it on the back stove. It takes 8 to 10 minutes to come to a boil over medium heat. While waiting, we can cook the pork. Turn the heat to high and heat the wok until smoking hot. This is the trick to prevent the food from sticking to the pan. Drizzle a generous amount of oil and swirl it around to create a non-stick layer. Add the pork and stir over high heat for 2 minutes or until the pork has changed color. Add minced ginger, garlic, and shallot slices and stir until fragrant. Add the julienne 榨菜. By the way, if you want to see me use this 榨菜 to cook other dishes, let me know in the comment. If there is enough demand, I'll consider it. I almost forgot the julienne red chili. Not too late to add it now. Continue to stir over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. You may find that the bottom of the wok is a little bit tacky. That's all fine because we're going to pour in 4½ cups of water. If you have stock, that will be even better. If not, water works just fine. Bring this to a boil. You don't need to add any salt because 榨菜 is very salty already. However, every brand of 榨菜 has a different sodium level, so you do need to taste the broth to adjust the flavor. Cover it with a lid. I will move it to the back stove and let it simmer over low heat for 10 minutes. By now, the water in the other pot should have come to a boil. Bring it to my portable stove so I can get the camera shot. We're gonna cook the noodles in it. Any kind will work. I have tried udon noodles, ramen noodles, pho noodles, vermicelli noodles, and egg noodles. Just use whatever you have on hand and follow the cooking instructions on the package. These bundles are pretty small, so you will need 2 of them to make a serving, and you have to cook 6 in total because this recipe is enough to serve 3 people. However, this is a demo video, so I'm only going to cook 2 for myself for now. boil them for 3 minutes. Once done, take the noodles out and toss in some baby bok choy. Add the noodles into a big serving bowl. Place the bok choy on the side. The 榨菜 and shredded pork has been simmered for 10 minutes now. It smells amazing. Toss in some diced cilantro and scallion. Take a big spoonful and pour it onto the noodles. Continue to add a few more spoons of the broth. This familiar taste is what my mom used to feed us for breakfast. It's quick, easy, and budget-friendly. You can satisfy a few hungry kids by adding enough servings of noodles. It's not fancy, but sometimes these ordinary home-cooked meals are the most touching. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!